Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Noonkty Blanket Basket with lid, a versatile storage solution for your home. This large woven basket measures 21.7 by 21.7 by 13.8 inches, offering an 83-liter capacity perfect for toys, blankets, or laundry. Made from soft, skin-friendly cotton, it has no sharp edges, making it safe for kids and pets. The sturdy rope construction with reinforced stitching ensures durability and maintains its shape under heavy loads. Its modern neutral design adds a stylish touch to any living room or bedroom. The lid keeps dust and bacteria out while protecting your privacy. Plus, it's easy to clean, fold, and store, making organization simple and convenient. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.